Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about coin grading and how it can affect a coin's value. The first question we have to answer is, what is coin grading? Coin grading, in simple terms, is having its authenticity and condition verified by a third-party company. The two world-renowned companies for this are the NGC and PCGS. They both grade coins in accordance with the Sheldon Scale, a simple system that assigns numerical values to a coin based on factors like strike, preservation, luster, colour, and of course, attractiveness. The highest graded coin can achieve is an MS or PF70, sliding all the way down to 1. Coin is then placed in a plastic protective holder with a coin description, grade, and an authenticated serial number. The second question regarding coin grading is why? Why get a coin graded? If you think the coin is rare or in a mint condition, or just want peace of mind to its authenticity, getting it graded is a great way to answer any of these questions. Grading a coin can significantly impact its market value. For some older, rarer coins, the difference between two grades can add a 0 to its value. For example, the very scarce 1848 Victoria Young Head and Shield Sovereign could go unnoticed as a bullion coin. On today's value, ungraded, it'd be worth around £600 on gold weight alone. However, the coin graded and achieving a grade of AU50 means this specific variation, one of only 2 in existence, as this is the highest quality and only 7 in existence, increases its value to over £5,000. Both the NGC and PCGS populate the number of coins that have been graded, so you can benchmark its rarity against others that have been graded. For example, if you find that you have one of 10 MS70s in the world, there's a high chance you've got a coin worth holding on to. Or, when the time comes to sell, it's something that enthusiasts and collectors are likely to be interested in purchasing. Because of this, graded coins often fetch higher premiums due to its condition and authenticity being firmly solidified by a third-party coin authorization. Finally, how do I get my coin graded? Grading a coin as an individual can be a logistical nightmare. Registering, paperwork, insurance, shipping, etc, etc. At Bullion House, we take care of all those laborious tasks. So if you have a coin that you want grading, why don't you come and see us in our London showroom to realise the true value of your coins. Thank you.